Hello everyone, welcome back to the stream. Just give me 5 to 10 minutes and I'll give you an overview what we have done in past days and today. Okay, let's get started. So, first of all, an overview on past trades that we have taken. So, yesterday was GPI. Okay, give me a minute. Yeah, so yesterday was CPI and we taken a sell on gold, which was not good. So, we lost around 3%. And today I have taken this two trades. Let me just zoom in or maybe go to 50-minute time frame so I can explain you a little bit better. Okay. 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 So as I was saying, let me just zoom in things. I don't know why this is zoom in. So yeah, let me explain this trades. So first, when we taken this trade, which was so here you can see when price did break above or going up. I thought this was a good resistance, good support, and price will continue going up and could break above these areas. Okay, give me a minute. Yeah, sorry guys, I had a call that I needed to attend. So, okay, as I was explaining that I had taken these two trades. So, first trade was this one. When I took this trade was because like I thought this price had already rejected and that was a bullish candle closing. So I thought, okay, I can take this trade, right? Now I can explain. Okay, let me just put this to today. So I can just see today's trade only. So we have taken a loss of 1% today, 1.50 you can say. Okay, okay, yeah. So here we have taken this trade. We weren't good amount of profit and price did rejected this resistance. I thought it could break above, but it didn't. So we have lost two trades. So when I entered the first trade, which was my like basically I will use 0.10. Okay, that was my final lot size. That is my whole risk. So I cut down my losses to 0.05. That was my first trade. I thought if price do move above and we see some more confirmation, then we can continue with that. So I was looking at the 30-minute time frame at that time. How can I reset the chart over here again? Sometimes I just don't feel right. Yeah. Okay, okay. So from here you can see that based on 30-minute time frame, when the price did break above, it went up, and I went to 5 minute sorry 5 or 15 minute time frame and seen that this price have closed above at this time, and I think the next candle, this candle could continue go up. So I entered another position at the top of this area, and when I did, it did started going up a little bit, broke the high of the previous candle, and it was a pretty good trade, but then it just reversed again. So it was not that like I had a confirmation, but I guess it does turn around. So I think we lose around 1.5% today. So now what we will do today, most likely we will try to take the way better setups that we think that could make a potential profit. But if not, we just wait and see. Okay, let me just do some analysis based on high time frame. Looking at the daily time frame, this is a huge support over here, 2284, and right now daily candle is bearish. So if we are expecting, let's say that so if we are expecting that this candle can flip above this area, then we can start looking for buys and could go up till this area. Okay, and if this daily candle, which have already broken the low of the previous daily candle, I think, as you guys can see, yeah. So looking at the 4 hour time frame right now, we have broken the low, prices rejecting, or maybe doing maybe creating a low high to continue the down. So potential buy we can take should be above this area, I guess. Okay, buys above this area. We are looking for buys above that area. And if we are looking for sells, which would be a little bit hard to predict this time. So if we come to a smaller time frame based on daily, okay, if this daily candle flip, we are looking for buys above this area, right? Hence, same goes for 4 hour time frame. So if we, as you guys can see, like we are on 4 hour time frame, and if candles if this candle break above this area, this high, then I think we can take a buy, and we will get more confirmation, okay, above this area, a strongest buy. Okay, so here's the thing, we are looking for some really good bullish momentum. Hmm. Okay, we are reaching a really strong resistance. Okay, wait a second. So we are looking for buys above this area. So if this candle, this candle does close above around, or we can take an impulse entry if this candle directly shoots up, and we have more confirmation above this area to take the continuous buys again and again. I mean, not like again and again, but like what I mean is like if price break above and we take a buy around this area, so we will wait for like price to reach around this area, and if it rejects and a little bit come down to a higher low, and then it can continue going up till 2 to 337 or somewhere around that area. Interesting. So most likely if we are looking for buys, that would be above this area, and if we are looking for sells, I think that would be if price do break below this area, because this range I really don't like it. There are too many wicks to reject and fell. So any buys above, any candle closed above this area, or maybe if this candle was go a little bit down before going up, then we can take some entries. Let me take a look at a GBP USD. What do we see here? What do we see? Let's jump to daily time frame. First of all, we see a strong rejection and closed in the range. Prices coming to a strong support as well. So if we are looking for a scalp like 10 to 20 pips, what I think we'll do based on this 4 hour time frame, prices continuously coming down, right? Okay. If we see anything below, I don't think so. I'm looking for sells, but if we are looking for sells, I need to check more for more confirmations. Yep. So I think if price consolidate a little bit around this area, we can wait a little bit and see some rejections or wicks. Then we can, like something like this. Then we can, if we see some strong bullish candle, then we can take a buy, execute a buy, put a stop loss below this area, and ride the trend. We just wait at that point. Sorry guys, I was checking something. Okay, yeah. Now taking a look at the GBP JPY, it's hard to say like it have broken the resistance coming back to that area and daily candle. Looking at the daily candle, let's say it 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 didn't close exactly at the resistance, I can say, but so this is a tricky one, right? Next candle did go up and broke the high of the previous candle. So I think looking for buys would be good, but we need more confirmation. So for more confirmation, if price did reject, same theory as we applied on GBP USD, that if price do consolidate a little bit, reject at this area and see a bullish candle, then we can execute a buy. Let's see. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, we are having some really bullish momentum on gold. As I said, we are looking for buys above this area. Price have come to above this area, but approaching. Okay, this is a 15-minute time frame, right? Yep, it's a 15-minute time frame. We have 4 minutes left before the candle closed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for 4 minutes. Once the candle is closed, then we can see. Because you know, most of the time what price do is like will go up before the 4 minutes and like it will come back down and close below the range. We have some news after 2 hours or so, and I'm not sure if I will stick till that time, but not sure though. It depends on the market structures. How does how does it you know go around? Like if we get a trade, if we get a better opportunity before that, we'll take our chance, and that's it. I already took one chance, and I think I need to give another chance. So I'll take two trades today, but I think that will be the end. No more than two trades because we are already losing around 4% of the capital. Amazing. Minutes left. 3 minutes left, guys. 3 minutes left. What do you think? Again, today's C trader, I think most of the clients, 68% of the clients are with the open position of buys, 32% for sells. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that. Okay, my friend is saying hi, sir. Okay, there are 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left for like this candle to close. For next candle to take a buy, what I would like to see is like the next candle should go down a little bit, do a retest of these areas, and then break the high of the previous candle. I mean this candle. So then we can execute a buy at the top, put the stop loss above the candles, and continue. We can total one. Okay, 1 minute left to be exact, and here we go. Great. So looking at the 15-minute time frame, prior candle is closing. Okay, it did close above. Now this candle should be testing these areas, retest these areas, I mean, and then could go up. So then we can take buys. So that is our trade. Okay, let's see if we can get it. I see prices trying to go up. Okay, okay. We are seeing movement. It did create it a small wick. It didn't completely retest this week's, but yeah, small wicks. That's a minor confirmation. We still cannot take the trade. We need this candle to go a little bit down before going up. So the reason I will take this trade, let me explain it here. As you guys can see, based on 4 hour time frame, we are breaking the high of the previous candle, and I think it will continue going up. Okay. Looking at the daily time frame, we are expecting this daily candle to be flipped and continue going up. Okay. So that would be our target. So another thing we need to see is like how much pip we can get from this. 30 pips is like good. We can still make around $15 or so. Okay, okay, okay. Price is still like, rejecting, coming back up. So not sure at this moment what we need to do. Let me go on a smaller time frame to get the confirmations or something so we can take a trade. But okay, looking at the 5 minute time frame, price have nicely broken above the areas, giving more confirmation, did a retest here. So if this candle break the high, we can take the trade, I think. Let's see. Let me just make this bigger so guys can see too. I don't know. Okay, we are approaching the high of the candle. Okay, okay. We're still waiting because price is not showing much momentum. For me to, take execute buy, I'm still waiting. If this candle go a little bit down, come back down before breaking the highs, it's still good. Okay, yeah, we are seeing some. What do we have on GBP prices? Rejecting made a bullish candle, that's good. But the next candle is trying to break, respecting the highs of the candles and trying to break the lows. So not gonna execute any trade on them. The only chance we have is this one. And I think breaking the highs of the previous candles and while it's respecting, it didn't yet break it. So we can execute like a trade once it like respect the zones. Okay, now here's the deal. Like if this candle flip bullish again, we are executing the buys with a 0.10. We're coming back to 15-minute time frame just because we still have the check the stop loss will be here. Okay, so we will be risking down a little bit. Okay, let's see if we can flip bullish on this candle now. Oh, this if this candle close, come back to the range and close below it. I cannot do anything then. We need to wait now. But see if it flip bullish. At this point, we are waiting, so we have not executed the buy yet. Just give me a minute. Sorry, guys, that was my mom. I think I need to leave, but yeah, I think if I will take the trade, it will be if price do close below this area or maybe close like this one, doji type, but then there's a less chance that I will take the trade for buys. But depends on the scenario. Okay, I think I'll execute the buy once the candle is flipped. Once I see any bullish candle. Okay, here we put stop loss exactly below the candle will be 13 pips, and our take profit will be around this area. We have officially executed the buys, but this time this will be like whole risk, so we cannot take any more position on this one. Okay, let's see how this run out. Should we make our, how much is it? We are risking around $13, right? Let's see if candle to close or come back below this area. We need to close it. think we have half an hour before this candle do closed. So just that price will respect the slows of this candle before closing in. So I think I will risk 50 pips. Okay, because this is just better. So yeah, this is a better like stop loss than the previous one because we are putting it with the same candle, which is not giving enough space for price to move. So I think this is the better one. Exactly previous candle, 15-minute previous candle, and our target will be around this high. Yeah, wow. Look at this. Okay. How does GBP USD looking? So I don't think so. We will be able to take any trades because this will take time. It's like moving so strong, so we cannot take any buys. But if we are looking for any sells, we can. But the good thing is like, sorry, the bad thing is we do not know how can we execute the sell at what point. If we take a sells just because it does break the lows, then we are approaching next year zone. So that will be like how much? 21 pips. I think they will continue going up. Yeah, we'll see. Coming back to gold, what do we have? Oh, okay. So, see, as I was saying, this candle did close above, but it closed bearish. So next, what price can do? This candle can do is like break the lows, okay, and then just flip again. So either it can just flip it now and break the highs and continue going up. So there are the two scenarios that I can imagine. But if it break this low, then there is no way I think price will continue going up right now because then this is like totally a fake out. Okay. And price will close below the range, which we do not want. Let's see. Let's okay. Now we see some really bearish momentum. Like price is moving so strong, but I think the volume was good because someone I think executed a sell with a bigger lot size, 208. People watching the live stream, please do like the video if you're here. If you're not here, then just so as I explained before, the price can break the lows and flip and go above. So now what we need is this if this candle do break the highs, then we need this candle to close at least above this highs. Then I think that's the more confirmation to price to go up, that price will go up. We need like this candle to just break the highs, then closed above this particular level, and we can see. It's approaching the area so quickly. So we have around 10 minutes left for 30-minute candle to be closed. Okay, looking at the 1 hour time frame, price is like coming back to the range, which is not good. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, same thing, price is like coming back to the range, looking not good at all. So we have 5 to 6 minutes left. Before that, if this candle goes bearish, and I think price have more volume to the downside. So most likely it will continue going down from here. Will we execute any sells? If I do, that will be over trading for me because I already took two trades today, and I do not think so. Taking more trades will solve anything. And looking at this range at this point, I don't think so. I will be taking any sells at this point here. If I am looking for sells that should be below this area, or most likely safe sells will be below this area. And I will target these zones around 2,300. We'll see. Currently looking at this, I don't think so price is like moving anything above. If it does closed bearish, we see. Okay, I have 5 to 10 minutes. Before that, I think so. We have lost around $37 till now. For today, we have lost around $37. And yeah, price did break the low. So we are, I guess it will continue moving down. The good sell entry if you want to. If price to come around this area, take a sells, and I think you will write it down till here. But I don't think so. I will take any sells at this point here. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Amazing. So, what did we miss today? What was our mistake? First, I think taking a trade exactly above this area was a mistake because approaching another resistance. There was not enough a volume, or you can say perhaps to move for price to go up. Could easily reject and continue going down. So from next time, I won't be taking any setups related to this. It gives me more explanation. Looking at the 4 hour candle here, again, if this candle do flip, I think taking the sells will be like amazing till here. So if you are looking for sells, do it from below this candle. In total, current week. So in total, we are losing around $61. Let's see how the week goes tomorrow and then the next week. So I think this week, tomorrow, I will just wait and see. Most likely it's Friday, so I'm not expecting much volume. But if there is any news or something like that, then that will be like, I have not checked yet if there is a news or not, but we'll do. So I think, select a time zone that I can say I will do live stream for and let you know, guys. But for now, if you would like to get updated every day, just join my Discord group and you will know everything. Okay, yeah, that's it. Have a good day, guys. Thank you for being part of this amazing trading journey.